Personal injury protection is a special type of car insurance that only exists in certain U.S. states. This type of car insurance has some major advantages and disadvantages. The largest benefit that this car insurance has is the fact that if you get into a car accident, your insurer has to pay for the vehicle damages without any regard for who caused the accident. This car insurance is very similar to injury compensation. Depending on your state, if you're protected under this insurance, the company has to pay for other injury expenses and not just the car. Some pay part of the medical bills while others pay your employer up to $5,000, which normally helps your employer keep your job open until you heal. Each state is different, and you should get a list of the bills that the insurance companies will cover if you get into an accident. For many injury victims, this type of insurance has allowed them the financial freedom after an injury to file an injury claim against the defendant to get compensation. For many, as long as the medical insurance and car insurance pay for the damages, then they can go after compensation, which can get them even more money for their recovery. There are some disadvantages with this particular type of car insurance. The largest disadvantage to this type of car insurance is the monthly premiums. Since car insurance companies are forced to pay, they are forced to charge more every month. Most will charge $100 extra every month depending on the state that you live in. Another disadvantage is in some states this type of car insurance is mandatory for you to get. However, there is a simple way to get out of having to sign up. You will have to write the state government and explain that you want to be exempted from having this type of insurance. The state government will have no choice but to exempt you from the insurance. The family car plan is more expensive per car than regular insurance and will cost you upwards of $30 per month and car on top of the base fee. Most will end up spending $200 every year more for this type of car insurance over the regular. There are a lot of people who don't like to pay the extra premiums. However, when they need a new car and have other accident-related bills, they are very happy the car insurance company is forced to pay. Thousands of car accidents are not paid for by the insurance companies, and most, if they do pay out, are very hard to get the money from. For thousands of safe drivers, this special and more expensive type of insurance is not necessary, but even the safest drivers get in accidents, and if it happens, it is important that the insurance company pays up. Thousands of drivers every year are denied payment after their accident by their insurance provider, which can be financially devastating. Many just like having the security in their life that if they get into an accident and have to get a new car, that their insurance provider is required to pay. The only way these companies cannot pay for the damage is if the insurance-covered driver was doing something illegal, drinking, drugs, or speeding. Either way, if you're a great driver or not, you should at least take a close look at this type of insurance, because it could save you tens of thousands of dollars that could come out of your pocket if you go with the regular insurance. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.